member needs to be present with the patient during the inpatient treatment, because family members around this patient would, it will lead to a lot of psychoeducation and then supervised medication, and the rehabilitation process will be much faster. Another issue, madam, about mental health review board. Why should the judiciary be involved in this? In a mental health review board, why should the judiciary itself is incapable of clearing their backlogs? So, again, you're insisting judiciary involvement is this. I don't think so. This is required that judiciary should be part of this mental health review board. Madam, my suggestion is that this board should comprise of independent psychiatrists, family caregivers, and recovered patients, because this will go a long way in getting to know the real facts. And another alternative, madam, I propose that to create a board of visitors at each hospital. Lastly, madam, right to confidentiality under Chapter 5 of this bill. This is a fundamental right, madam. My suggestion to the Honourable Minister through you is that this information should be only given to family members, and that too in verbal form. Written documents or medical records should be shared only with legal authorities on obtaining a written request. Now, permission for research, madam. This has to, this need to state authority should give permission. Please delete it and incorporate as per ICMR guidelines, because too many regulations can undermine the whole research. Now, last point, madam, which my honourable colleague over here mentioned about the definition of mental health. My opinion is that the definition of mental health is very broad-basedly covered under the National Mental Health Policy, and the WHO definition is quite clear. Can this government incorporate the definition of mental health as has given by the National Mental Health Policy and WHO? Because, as rightly pointed out by other colleagues, is that it leaves out obsessive compulsive disorders, depressions, and adjustment disorder. So I hope that these few points which I have mentioned over here, the Honourable Minister will take note of it. Madam, I support the bill. Thank you.
3 मस्जिद एक मंदिर हिंदू समुदाय के द्वारा है। 3 मस्जिदों पर माइक रहेगा, लेकिन मंदिर से माइक उतार दिया जाता है। क्या यही सेकुलर एजेंडा है इन लोगों का? यही सेकुलरिज्म है?